Hi there, it's Andreas here, Recreational Power Sports, where I want to talk to you about your seat bases. It's not like a Staples chair you're getting from Staples where you get the chair in the base and it's all gas shock, goes up and down for you. Your boat seat is separate from the base. So if you have a nice boat seat that you like, but you want to change your height in your boat or you want to make things a little bit nicer, well, come on down, I'll help you out. So to start out with, there are different ways to get you a seat post base system that's economical, whether it's a kingpin style base post and seat, or we can do it individually by a sunken in base that's below the floor, that's, you don't stub your toe on, with a post with what's called a seat spider that fits inside the post, whether it's gas shock or just a standard post. There's different ways to do it. Okay, then the next item I want to show you is the one-piece seat base, which is very economical. The nice thing I like about this guy is for the driver or passenger, it allows them to make it adjustable. It also allows it to seat slide and swivel. Sorry, swivel. It's not a slide. And then what you can do is take your seat off, leave your driver's seat posts and pedestals where they are, take your driver's seat, go to the front of the boat, and put it into the floor. And the cool thing about that is they make either a on the floor flush mount or a recessed mount seat base. This is the plug-in style. The cool thing about the plug-in style from Springfield is it's the only adjustable, manual adjustable seat post that adjusts. So you can have it for whatever height of person that has their legs that they don't want to cut off the blood flow to their legs when they're sitting. You can set your seat height with the adjustable ones. The nice thing is, here's your base, here's your post, you already have the spider. This is actually called the spider that's already built in to this seat post system. So you're not getting hit in the pocketbook a little bit extra because you already bought it right here. That's what I like about this system right here. It's nice and strong, it doesn't wobble, it doesn't wear out. It's just a great economical value. Yes, as you can see the overview here of there's different seat post systems that go with, whether it's the plug-in or the taper lock or the Atwood style. It's all whether you have this system in your boat already or not. The reason why I like the plug-in style, like I just mentioned, was I like the adjustability of the seat post. Next we have on your floor base, if you just want to go with a standard floor, a solid floor base mount, like this guy here is a solid mount. You can get just a standard fixed height if you only want a standard fixed height. This is a seat slide right here. It goes forward and back. That's your swivel. You loosen it off, you can swivel. But this is a locking one that locks because the driver's seat needs to be able to lock to be legal. Now, that being said, you can get the same standard seat base you see right here, which is a fixed height. You can cut this down if you like. You can get an adjustable version of this guy right here that adjusts up and down, or you want to go taller, you even get taller than that. So this is the maximum height. Oh, are these both the same height? I'm sorry. Look at that. See? You can tell this wasn't pre-rehearsed. There you go. Bang. There's your maximum height. Sorry. So you have your different heights that you can start at. Sometimes this is too high. Sometimes these are just too low. They don't get you up high enough. So we do have some versatility to get you. There is the gas shock version of these. If you don't want to have to manually grab underneath your boat seat to raise and lower your boat seat height because your seat might be heavy or cumbersome to get down to, these babies here have a gas shock built in, much like your chair at home. You have a gas shock built in so that when you sit on it, it'll go down. You have your swivel ability. If you loosen off your tensioner, it'll swivel, it'll seat slide. A little stiff and a little bit new. The other one here, also same thing. This little gas shock for you. The cool thing about it being able to come up for you is if you are using the bolster seat that I mentioned in my other video, most times you want to have the seat come up and back so you're tilt steering, then you can see the lay of the water. So when you want to just get out there, you go down low, but once you're boating and wakeboarding and tubing, you want to see the whole lake, the lay of the land. You want to be safe. And people feel safe when they're higher up and they can see the whole water. Next, the last thing I have to show you is if you have a jet boat and you're mounting a seat on a box and you want to have a seat slide and a swivel, This little baby here will do it for you from Springfield. Has a separate mount, mount your bracket down, and then 2 screws mounts this unit to your base. Nice, quick, easy installation, great price, great product. So we also do a seat clamp for your boat seat. So like we mentioned, you have the seat slides, which I mentioned, or the quick disconnect from Tempest. The one last system I didn't show you was the seat clamp from Springfield. Its idea is when you put this on your seat bench, it'll clamp the bench and allow you to move it from side to side, left to right on your bench. So it comes with the swivel included with the clamp and a clamp system so that the clamp system hooks onto the front bracket. So when you lean back, it doesn't flip off your seat and no one falls over. So it has a anti-fall over bracket built in or that comes with it. It's included. You have to do some assembly. This is the seat clamp system for your boat seat. Okay, the last thing to show you is the new stand-up power rise pedestal post that I have here from Springfield. It comes with 2 different base options. You have the plug-in style, or you have the taper lock style, which we talked about. So the idea of this seat is more of a casting seat at the front of the boat. You don't actually want to sit, but you want to lean back and be able to just do what you got to do up front. Very enjoyable, very relaxing way to fish. The nice thing about this is it is a gas shock pedestal, so it does have a little height power rise to it. The other nice thing is this seat platform does tilt forward and back for you. So if you want to sit on it, you can. You just want to lean up against it, you can. It has a quick, easy adjustable pin right here that you can adjust the seat angle on these little holes here. So you push in on this pin and you just select which angle of seat you want to have. Again, it's just a nice little feature to have when you just want to relax on and go fishing with this seat. It's just a nice way to fish so that you have a full movement of your upper body with this type of seat. So once again, please come down, check us out, ask us your questions. We'll try to help you out or get you the right information that we can help you customize your boat the way you want it, fix it up the way you want it so that it's decked out. We got all the different styles of bases and posts and spiders. We got spiders galore. Come and help slap them for us.